Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to do the hair color change trend on TikTok. There are a huge number of trends that have gone viral on TikTok over the years, and many of them have been inspired by the different effects that are available on the app and on CapCut. One of the latest trends to take off on the platform is the hair color change trend, using FaceApp and the CapCut effect. These trends change your hair color with a sliding transition effect, and many have garnered thousands of views and likes for showing what they would look like with a different hair color. If you want to try this trend out of yourself, here's how to do it. To get this effect, you will first need to make sure you have the editing app's FaceApp and CapCut installed. First, open FaceApp, then choose a picture of you. Now, go to Hair Colors, then select the color you want to try. Now, save the image to your camera roll and tap on Share button. Then click TikTok. It will transfer in your TikTok app. If you want to have a transition, tap on Templates. After that, select Done or select Next. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos. For another videos.